G'day, cobber, mate. Some of them say cobber, it's an old term, cobber. If you look at the number on the box here, it's a G444. I haven't ordered any more of them, so I'm not quite sure. I hope it's what I did order, but it's not the box. So I'll find out what's inside. And one of them we keep for myself, and the other one sell. So, plus it just stopped raining, so if anything, I'm really moist, everything's wet and yuck. Grass stopped growing, it's a bog hole. So I thought I'd come out and do this. Have a look. Steak knife. That's not a knife, it's a steak knife. Get in there. That's what you're off to, really. I know why steak knives get blunt. Cut the wrong thing. Right. Get the first one out. Front side. First one out. Here we go. Zoom it down. Out there. Wonderful. So it's a G366. Well, I ordered it's good, I'm happy with that. My kids have got my cutting knife too. Box cutting knife, standing knife. Call Australia. Doing her dentist shoes. She's making a perspex covering for the dentist shoes. She does pole denting. No why. Thinks it's a sport. I think I find razor blades. Have a look at this box. I'll try. Try the steak knife first. Usual crap. Oh, I gotta buy a wheel for it. Look at that. Enough rubbish flying around the place. And more. Now let's have a look. Ah, wrapping these up good now. I'll have you with that. Just 2 years ago though, not very good at all. Okay, anyway. That. Tight, giving birth to a new chainsaw. We got nice. I'm after a saw that's got some power but it's light. I do fix the lawnmower today and you can't start the lawnmower with your left arm, where the pull star comes out. That was not fun, guys, not fun at all. Here comes the rain again. Hopefully not. Put water in my head. There you go, beautiful. Nice. I love the drive, the clutch drive and that. What's that look like? I'll pour this one. Keep myself. Oh yeah, it's alright, nice. C-clips are alright, nice and tight. They come, sometimes they have little cheap ones, they fall easily. If you get one loose, don't use it. Give it another clip, another clip, another clip, I should say. Now I want to know what they got for an air filter. And no one's really shown an air filter on these. For Australia, you need good air filters for your Australian hardwood. It's all dusty. I'm assuming it's the same as steel, but I've never seen one. Okay. Real big tea bag. Where's that come in? Yeah, that never worked. I'm not in Australia. Wow. It's too open. Well, I think a new one of them. But they can get it nice. Open up quite nice. But yeah, I better want these. A cloth type one. So, alright, I know that now. See improvements from that. Okay, get back on. What's the next one? What pressure's it got? Compression. Yeah, all greased up though. I'm happy that's a nice one. Alright, next one. Okay. It puts spaces between the boxes and that. So it doesn't mean they're doing a bad job wrapping. Come here, come here. All the children are mad. They're laying eggs. I get lots of eggs now. 9 a day. Which is good, I'm happy with that. Same stuff. Pick them up. One boat. Now what's this one? And before, you know, it is the one I ordered, so I saw it in the box. So I haven't showed you guys yet. I think I have. There's the reason, I'll tell you in a sec. It is another one. Now I do this because I'm going to port my one. And I want to work out how it goes power wise and have one on stock stand so I can run them back to back. And then I know how much the ported one works over the stock stand one. Has it got the same air filter? Probably would. Be surprised if it didn't. Yep, same setup. So cheap looking too. Alright, that's the same. Should be carbon copy of each other really. So yeah, I'll want to port one of them and I'll keep one standard so I can actually go what you like, power wise. Yeah, they're nice and light, I like that. I don't know if these come with a big block or if you can buy a big block, but if they do, I'll be putting a big block on one too, see how the big block works. Same with the G444, I've got a big block for that. So I'll go from 50mm piston to a 52, see how it goes, but that's just a nice size saw. Nice size cover, I like that. My cast aluminium. I hate these caps though, I don't like the way they are. Alright, yeah, it's starting to spit. I'll get out of this weather again, more rain, and I'll catch you guys next video. But anyway, thank you for watching. Over now, copper. Not copper, copper. So.